Hello. This is the second video. The second video will cover this section of the checklist, which is revisiting old problems. So I'll just cover the various things that you've mentioned here, just to prove that I'm doing all of them. Game object lifecycle, I've demonstrated that I have a pool here, this factory, for my toy soldiers. So if I don't have a toy soldier currently in my list, I generate a new toy soldier, so I generate 2 right off the bat. Eventually, I kill one of them, and I return 1 to the stack, and 1 remains on screen. You get the marker telling that a toy soldier has been recycled, and at the very end, we terminate the scene. So here we have an example of where I have one in the stack, 1 on screen, and the very first thing I do is I delete all the recycled items. So those are the ones in the stack. I delete the 1, and the on-screen items, which are equal to 0 in this case. And what I end up doing is I recycle to make sure that at the end of the day, both of them end up to zeros. This was from the last video, and at the very end, we'll enter the default scene and we'll exit the default scene. This is called because I ended the game, so this is the scene switching, just to demonstrate what that does. And you mentioned that the various managers have to make sure that they delete everything, so we delete all our models. We delete all our shaders, we delete the manager itself, textures, etc., all the way until the end, and we guarantee we delete our sound managers all the way too. So I'm ensuring that I'm cleaning all my memory as much as possible. What I do when I terminate things from factories is I ensure I delete them. In scenes, I'll just pull up the user scene. I ensure that everything I create is deleted. All of my factories get terminated, so that way everything gets deleted as I've shown. On a screen close, all our managers get cleared and deleted, and everything, all our memory comes back. That briefly shows that. You mentioned right here that you want to see the scene class and its and all the other things that involve that. So we have our update going in this proper order, being alarmables first, updatables, keyboard events, and then collidables. For our draw, we draw our objects, and then at the very end, our manager takes care of things that at this point are done, have been terminated, and either return to their factories, or in this case, get completely destroyed because they are off the screen. So this is basically our mark for destroy type manager. After everything has been executed, we swap our scenes. And our swap scenes basically just call our destructors and scene ends, and then trigger the constructors and scene initializations for the next scene. The prepare switch gets turned to false, and then we go back to the top of the order, but within the next scene. So that should cover all this stuff. You do mention that you want to see the order for the draw, which I have pulled up. It's very important that the first thing that gets drawn are the 3D models. So those are in this first list. So we call our draw. After our draw, we want all of our AABBs to appear. We rendered that all our collidable volumes for our debug to appear after all the models have been rendered. That way we don't have that z-depth effect where an object doesn't have the information, or our volume doesn't have the information that our object is inside of the volume. And then after that, we render our things to the screen, because sprites in front of the screen should be the final thing that gets rendered. So that's my ordering for the draw. camera manager, as I mentioned, properly cleans up memory. I have not shown the God Cam, and I will do that right now. So my God Cam is my R key, and as you can see, this is my God Cam. Here is my character. You can see the terrain registration right here. I can end up having this go over there just to show this off. Where's my character? Oh, one inside the mountain. But as you can see here, I can show off collisions. I can zoom in right here. And as I move in, out, I'm able to see, I'm able to mark collisions. Here we can see from this angle, I'm not actually touching. It's a very small amount. It's rather difficult in the final game, but I do have the ability, so later on when I demonstrate pruning, I'll go into the God Cam into more detail, but it is there. The time manager that you wanted to see, I'll demonstrate it right now, entering the game. So right now you can see our characters moving, but if I press F10, they've stopped moving, and every F11 I step through the frame and you can see our freeze frame. Enough time has passed that alarmables should have executed, but they don't because it's been done correctly. And I can see that. So that covers all of those things. So again, God Cam works, and I'll show that off more in pruning. But that should cover everything from our old problems, and everything in the next few videos will be everything that has been done this quarter.